standing at my front door right now, so you come in from the front door, and then my office is right in here. And it's not a very big space, but it works for me. So anyway, let's go ahead and start over at my desk. So here's my desk, and excuse the trash down there, guys. Sorry, I should have emptied those first, but yeah, I've been busy doing a lot of stickers, so there's a bunch of trash in there. And actually I have two trash cans because I need both of them. I go through a lot of extra sticker trash. But anyway, so here's my desk starting on this end. This is actually my son's microphone. I need to get this back to him. He left it here when he had moved out a few months ago, so I need to get this back to him. I'd love to steal this from him though. I asked him if I could have it because I have this little tiny microphone here for my voiceovers, and this is really nice. But anyway, so back here I just have my Mac Mini box. I just recently purchased the Mac Mini, which is down there. So I just have that laying up there for right now. And my office really isn't as tidy as I'd like it to be for this video, but I wanted to go ahead and get this out. So I have these boxes. I think I either got these from Michaels or Amazon. I honestly do not remember, but I have some old dashboards in here for like my B6 Traveler's Notebook, some new inserts, things that I've printed out that I haven't really used just yet, and I don't think there's really anything in that box. It's just kind of it's just empty. I haven't figured out what to do with that yet, but my little coaster, wine is a super fruit. And then, of course, you've seen the Mac Mini. I'm hoping to get a new monitor. This is a very, very old monitor, and I want, number one, I want a bigger one, and number two, because it's so old, it's not an HDMI monitor, and it doesn't seem to play nicely with my Mac Mini. Whenever I go to restart my Mac or whatever, it has kind of a time trying to detect my monitor. So I'm looking to hopefully get a newer monitor, something that's bigger. Got my little emojis up here on the wall. I printed these out. These were, sorry guys, my dog just walked in and started shaking. Anyway, so I just loved these. This was one of the digital printables that Helen had offered, and one of the digital clip art. So I just thought it was so cute, so I had to put them up on my wall. And then this was another, I think this was a digital that she did as well, or a free printable on her Facebook group. I don't quite remember. My mind is all scattered right now, so I don't quite remember, but still, he's very, very cute, and I had to put him up because he's adorable. And then this clock, I was really excited. This just came in yesterday from Amazon. It's rose gold. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I was so excited about this clock. So I'll be sitting here at my desk, and I told my husband, I said, I keep looking up at the wall for some reason to see what time it is, but there's no clock there, so I don't know why I keep looking up there. So I decided to put a clock there. Over here, I just have my Silhouette, my iPad that I just recently got, and this, guys, I got this off of Amazon. It was super cheap. It's a little Bluetooth speaker, and I don't recommend it. It sounds absolutely horrible. It's pretty, but it's absolutely horrible. So I don't recommend. If you see that on Amazon, don't get it. I mean, I think it was like $10, less than $10 or something. You get what you pay for, I guess, but you know, it's just, it's awful. Up here I have a canvas that I did, probably 5 or 6 years ago. I was really big into doing like the mixed media canvases, and I had this actually in our bedroom at our old house, but I really thought that it kind of went with the color theme in my office. I really love like the turquoise and the teals and whatnot, so I decided to just put it up in here. And then back to my desk over here, I just have a light for my registration for the Silhouette. Hodgepodge of just random stickers, misfits that I need to cut, things that I need to take care of. Here I just have these little bins. Had these forever. I think you can probably get these at Walmart. Nothing, you know, expensive, nothing big. And this is my silhouette portrait cover, so let me toss that over there. Over here I just have some random tools that I use. My Wink of Stella pen, which I absolutely love. My Tombow correction tape. I've got my little corner rounder. I think somebody asked about this in one of my videos. That's where I keep that. Got my tape. And then I have just random things in here. I've got planner clips, and these are not organized by any means, guys, so, you know, excuse the mess inside of these drawers. They look pretty on the outside, but they're a hot mess inside. So just random punches, some clay tools. I was working with polymer clay a couple years ago. I was also dabbling with jewelry stuff. I've got my jewelry tools in there. Sticky notes. These are all the random sticky notes that you get, you know, in like the Planner Society boxes, and just, you know, just random stuff. Oh, emojis. Ah, cute. And then down here, just have some random stuff. Nothing really to speak of. Over here, I've got, these are, this is one of those photo box storage things that you get from Amazon. And I just have some random stuff for traveler's notebooks, you know, page flags. I've got some die cuts in there. Most of this stuff is just stuff that I've gotten from like the Planner Society. So I needed a place to put it all, so I just kind of threw it all in here. And then down here I have inks for stamping, which I really just don't do a lot with anymore. Adhesive stuff, you know, glue sticks, sticks for my hot glue gun. I've got this double-sided tape, and then just some random dies and whatnot for my Sizzix that I don't use anymore since I have that. And over here, I got this on Amazon. I think it was Amazon. I think Michael sells these too, this little toolbox. I'm sure you guys have seen this in quite a few videos. I am not even going to go through everything that's in here because it's just kind of thrown in there and not really organized, and it's just a bunch of random stuff, and it's not very exciting, so I'm not going to go through any of that. Here is my YouTube station, and I've got dogs behind me, so I'm trying to back up here. This is my YouTube filming station. So I've got my softbox light, my camera set up, and I'm actually getting ready to film my plan with me for this weekend, so I've got stuff laid out for that. But that is my YouTube setup. And then over here we have just a bookshelf. I've got a better Bluetooth speaker that I've actually had for many, many years. I just don't think it's very pretty, so that's why I ended up buying that other one. But again, it was cheap. This one sounds so much better. This is an I Love speaker. Have a print here that I had sketched out, I don't know, a couple years ago. Ended up framing it, and just, you know, I've just had it here just to remind me that, you know, I should probably practice drawing more. Down here I have the famous Emoti Washi. Those are my rolls that I have. All right, I'm back. I'm sorry, guys. I had to pause this because my dogs were making way too much noise. Anyway, just have some random stickers here. These aren't usually here, but I pulled them out for, you know, my plan with me, so I just have them sitting there for right now. I have my bullet journals, my sticker books from Planner Chick Designs. Love these, love these. They're so awesome. My traveler's notebooks, I just keep those here. Got my Crayola Super Tips, my Blick markers, which if you guys are looking for an alternative to Copics that are a little more affordable, these are awesome. These are really, really great. And this is just a random notepad that my aunt bought for me for Christmas many, many moons ago. I haven't really used it. I think it's cute, and I just leave it there. Here's a little pencil. But moving on, we've got, this is my printing station. Again, trash, sorry guys. This is my soon to be recycled, garbage, whatever laser printer. I hate this thing. Hate it, hate it. And it is about to be replaced. I found a really good deal on an actual, this is a monochrome printer, but I actually found a good deal for Black Friday on a color laser printer by Canon. So I am anxiously awaiting for that to come in. Here's my HP OfficeJet, older model, but so far it's had some issues, but it's still ticking. I still have it working and it seems to be doing great with my stickers, so I'm gonna leave it be for now. I love this, by the way, I love this stand, you guys. I think I got this on Amazon too, but this piece actually pulls out like this, so you have like an extra little side table or whatever. And I just have my paper cutter here, so I just pull this out whenever I need it. And then I've got my extra long stapler for stapling traveler's notebook inserts, and then just a hole punch here. And then up underneath, this part pulls out too. And I just have my paper, my regular printer paper and cardstock and stuff to print journaling cards and die cuts with. And then on the bottom I just have my little bin that's got all of my scrap paper from over the years, Planner Society, all of that. I love this thing. It fits quite a bit of scrapbook paper in there, and then just some random printer stuff, cables and whatnot in that. And moving along, I have a closet here in the corner, and I am not going to open that door, you guys. It is a hot mess in there. I am not gonna lie. So we're not gonna go into the closet today, but I just have this little, it's kind of like a, I don't know, like a little pantry door shelf kind of thing. Amazon, of course. And I just have it holding some deco foil, some extra silhouette blades, some extra printer ink, and then there's the case for my Apple Pencil and my iPad. And then over here on this wall, I'm really proud of this. I love this. This is my, oh, we're gonna get a glare, guys. These are my emoji die cuts that I framed and put together, and I actually have more behind me that I need to add to this. I've been too lazy to do that, but I just think it's so adorable, the little emojis. So they're hanging up on the wall. And then I just printed this out the other day. I need to get a frame for it, I think. Right now it's just being held up by Emoji Washi. And this is my sticker station. So I've got my mailers, and this just came in yesterday. This is for all of my little functional sheets. I haven't filed these away just yet. My cuties and my little school day stickers, my cleaning stickers. I still need to put those in here, but right now I've just got, it's got these tabs that came with the unit, and I'm probably going to replace these with my own. I'm just gonna make some out of scrapbook paper or cardstock or whatever, and just relabel them, because I don't think the alphabet works very well, because, sorry guys, dogs again, you know, they're something, they're like little toddlers, you know. I thought I was done with the whole kids thing, you know, now that my son is grown and out of the house, but you know, there's always the furry babies. Anyway, so I'm gonna make dividers myself. I have too many stickers that are, you know, they all start with the same letter, and so this doesn't really work out for me as far as like filing these away, so I'm gonna do something different with that. But I just have some freebies and my little cards that I included in my orders up here, and then I just have my little spaces here where I prep the stickers that need to go out, and so that's that. So this, I was waiting for this to come in so that I could actually film this video and call my office, you know, somewhat finished. I've seen these, something similar to this with IKEA. I think it's the Alex drawers. A little bit more expensive though. I got this on Michael's with some sort of a coupon or something for Black Friday. So it was like an early Black Friday sale or whatever. So I got this for, I don't know, probably $20, $30 cheaper than the actual Alex drawers. I'm not excited about it because I feel like, look at that, you guys. Like, if it'll focus. Come on, focus. Some of the drawers on the front are kind of scratched up a little bit. So, I don't know. I'm not thrilled with it, but we're just gonna call it rustic and just leave it at that. But anyway, I just have some of my just little tools and packing stickers and stuff like that in the top drawer. This one I just have my mat, my glossy, and my packing label stickers, and then in the bottom here is just my cello bags, some extra cards that were up there for throwing in my orders, and then just an empty sticker paper packaging. I'll figure out what to do with that later. I'm sure it'll make a good container for something, scrap paper or something. And then over here, I just have a light and my peace lily, which is actually blooming right now. And that is it. That is pretty much my office. So, like I said, it's not a huge space, but it works for right now. Oh, I didn't go over this. This is not important anyway. It's just random stuff right there, so not a big deal. But anyway, that is my entire office. So, hopefully this helps. You guys were asking for an office tour, so it's not much, but that is it. So, hope you guys are having a great Black Friday weekend, and hope you guys are getting good deals and getting all of your shopping done, and have a great weekend. And I will see you guys, well, for my plan with me, and then I'll see you guys next week. Bye.